Welcome to CloudC Yoga. Today let's have a healing yoga practice for our upper and lower back. You only need one yoga block and also a peaceful mind. When you are ready, I'll see you on the yoga mat. Set your yoga block and sit on top of it. Let's begin the session with a 2-minute meditation. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Relax your breath. Relax your body. Slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. Starting to tuning into your inner self. Bring yourself back from the outside world. Bring yourself back to fully focus for yourself. Bring all your energy back. Slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the gentle breathing. Relax your mind and your body. Bringing this peaceful awareness into the upcoming 15 minutes of practice. Now bring your palms together. Slowly open your eyes. Let's get ready. Remove your block. Now we can move towards the tabletop position. Your arms underneath your shoulders. Knees underneath your hips. Then inhale, drop your belly head up. Exhale slowly around your back, chin to chest. Feel the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, open up. Gaze upward, open your throat. Exhale, round your back. Feel your spine. 2 more rounds. Inhale, open up. Exhale, reverse. Finding more and more space in each round. Final round, inhale back to neutral spine. From a tabletop position, extend your arms forward. Keep your hips on top of your knees. Then slowly land your forehead on the floor. From here, feel the stretching sensation, whether it's on your upper back or on your shoulders. Connect yourself with the stretching sensation. If your body allows you to go deeper, you may also place your chin on the floor, but no stress. Listen to the intelligence your body is sending to you. We're here to open for more space. Let the yoga pose serve you. From here, lie flat down. Bring yourself all the way down to the floor. If you want to, you can move a little bit upward to the cobra position. Then bring your hips back into child pose. Bring your hips towards your heels, forehead on the floor. If it is challenging for your hips to touch on your heels, you can open your knees wider. And as long as you feel a good sensation or opening in your body, stay there. If you want to open your chest a little bit more, you can bring your chin on the floor. Now release from child pose and return back to tabletop position. Inhale, extend your right arm up, your gaze following your fingertips. Now bring it down and switch to the other side. Feel the elongation. Steady breathing. Bring it back again. Let's go a little bit deeper for the next round. Inhale, extend right side up. Then bring your right arm all the way to the left side. Straighten your arm, land your right ear on the floor. If you can balance, extend the upper arm to the top of your head. Then stay in this position. You may close your eyes in this pose if you can balance. Checking in if there's any discomfort around your neck. If all good, close your eyes and enjoy the pose. Now releasing the pose, bring the upper arm back, press, and bring yourself all the way back to tabletop position. Let's move on to the other side. Extend your left arm all the way up. Open the left side of your body. Then bring the left arm to the right side. Setting your position, extend the upper arm on top of your head. Finding balance in this position. Then close your eyes. Feel the opening of your body. Is your body feeling more open? You're also feeling more calm and peaceful. Now slowly release your right arm, press, and bring yourself all the way back into the tabletop position. Tuck toes under, walk your palms a little bit forward, and extend your hips all the way up into the downward facing dog position. Let's stay in down dog for a short while. You can bend your knees or step in and step out. Down dog is a perfect pose for full body stretching. And as we go a little bit of upside down, it also has a calming effect for our heart and our mind. A yoga pose that also stretch our mental body. From here, gaze forward, walk to the top of your yoga mat, and sit on the mat. Keep your knees bent and bring yourself all the way down to the yoga mat. Hug your knees to your chest. Now drop both knees to the left side. Extend the right arm to the right side. see if you feel good with your neck. You can also turn your head to the right side. And maybe your right ear can also touch the floor. Wherever you are, close your eyes and enjoy the practice. Allow deep and gentle breathing to flow within you. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Now slowly release the pose. Hug your knees to your chest. Everything back to neutral. When you are ready, work on the other side. Balance your body from the left side to the right side. Release all the tension from your upper back, middle back, and lower back. Just relax. Release all the physical tension. Release all the mental stress. You deserve a peaceful mental state for yourself. Practice and let it go. Now slowly bring yourself back to the neutral position again. Feel the opening at your back. When you are hugging yourself in this position, it also symbolizes self-love. When we hug yourself, when we start to learn to love ourselves, we become a better version of ourselves, which makes us more capable to love other people around us. Now straighten your legs, straighten your arms next to your body, release everything, and let's fall into Shavasana, the most important resting yoga pose. Let's stay here for a short while, just to have a deep connection with our body and also balance our nervous system. Allow the soothing side of our nervous system to activate in a way that it starts to relax our mind, relax our body, and most importantly, we feel so much better with ourselves, with our life, and with a more broadened worldview. We respond better whenever situations come to us. Now bend your knees and turn yourself sleeping on the left side or right side. Again, hug your knees to your chest, sending more love to yourself. You deserve it, and you are enough. Now press your palm on the floor and bring yourself back into the sitting position. Sitting cross-legged. We end the practice with how we start. We begin with a meditation practice, and we also end with this sitting meditation. Scan through your breath again, slowly breathing in and gently breathing out. A beautiful moment you created for yourself. Now bring your palms together. Reward yourself with a gentle smile. You made it. Open your eyes and wish you have a great day, whether it's day or night, rain or shine.